Hi everyone, we are students from University Technical Malaysia, Melaka, and today we are going to present our data communication and networking project. Okay, this project is about the stimulation of a network infrastructure to connect a company headquarter with its branch office. Okay, so we have used Packet Tracer software that provide a platform to design and test the network, ensuring its scalability and security capability to meet current and future needs. Okay, let me introduce my team member first. Okay, so we have Vincent Sun Min for the first member, and second member we have Chai Hui Kong, and myself Wong Han Shen, and another one Li Junsen. I will pass the future part to my team member.
Okay, for the objective, the primary objective of the project was to design and simulate a network architecture that fulfilled the following criteria. The first one is efficiently connect all department and device within the HQ and branch office. The second, implement a secure network environment to protect sensitive data. The third one, utilize a scalable design to accommodate future growth and optimize resources allocation through efficient address management.
Next, I will talk about the section 2, which is the logistic detail of the HQ Ayagoro. So as you can see, the green region one is for the HQ Ayagoro. So you can see the HQ Ayagoro actually got 4 floors, and each floor has their following department level. So the first one is the first floor is the technical department of the HQ Ayagoro. As you can see, the first floor got the 4 wire PC, which will connected to the switch 0, and this switch 0 will then connect to this switch 4. So then we will talk about the second floor, which is the management department. So at the second floor, we got the 6 wire PC and the 4 wireless PC and the 2 wireless laptop. So these all will also connected to this switch 4. So at the third floor, we got the 4 wire server. So this all wire server will first connected to this switch 2 first, then this switch 2 will then connected to this switch 4. So at the last floor, which is the fourth floor, also known as the sales and marketing floor, at this floor we will have the 5 wireless PC and the 5 wireless laptop. Then these all 10 devices will first connect to this access point first. So after they connected to this access point, they will connect to the switch 4. So as a conclusion, you can see that all 4 floor will connected at the end will connected to this switch 4, and then this switch 4 will bring all the 4 connections to the router HQ. Then after that, this router HQ will bring the connection to the main ISP router. So next, I will pass to the next member.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next I will talk about the branch 1 Arau. In branch 1 Arau, we got 2 houses, which is house A and house B. House A is the service department for Arau. House A got 4 YPC connect to the switch, and house B got 45 wireless laptop connect to the access point, but we just display 15 laptop only, and the 15 wireless laptop will connect to the access point in house B, and the access point will connect to the switch, and the switch will connect to the router. Okay, I will pass to my next member.
Okay, so for the Quantum branch there, the Quantum branch is connecting the server through ISP router, connect with the router called BR2. Okay, it connected with the serial cable 0/2/1, and the IP address of the BR2 router is 111.111.22.2. After that, the router have a connectivity with the switch that in the Quantum branch using Ethernet cable, and the IP of it is 202.45.0.65. Then the switch in the Quantum branch will distribute the network to PC23 until PC37 at the ground floor using RJ45 internet connection. Beside that, the Kuantan branch remain first floor laptop need to be connected to the server so that we use an access point. The access point get the network from the switch at the ground floor. Then the laptop at the first floor can connect the access point wirelessly by only typing the correct passphrase of the access point. Once done this step, laptop 32 until laptop 41 at first floor will successfully connected to the server also.
So this is mainly the slide lah to present just now what we had talked. So this is a logistic detail. Just now we talked, we got the HQ first floor, the second floor, the third floor, and the fourth floor lah. Then this is just now the branch 1 Arao, the branch 2 got Kuantan. So next I will pass up to my next member.
Okay, for the addressing scheme, the network utilizes VLSM to efficiently allocate IP address. Branches network. For the subnet A, the networking address is 202.45.0.0. For the subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. The usable IP range is around 202.45.0.1 to 202.45.0.62. The broadcast address is 202.45.0.63. For the subnet B, the networking address is 202.45.0.64. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. The usable IP range around 202.45.0.65 to 202.45.0.126. The broadcast address is 202.45.0.127.
Okay, next I will talk about the section 5, which is I will take some sample to show the sample configuration for the wire and wireless host, the gateway interface, and the access point. So first I will take the PC0 as the wire host lah. So as you can see, we click the PC0 and then we click the IP configurations. So this is the IP address for the PC0s. And then this is the subnet mask for the PC0s. And this is the default gateway for the PC0. So this is mainly the IP configuration for the PC0 lah. Then we will talk about the wireless host. I will take the laptop 0 as the sample. So we will also click the IP configuration. So as you can see, this is the IP address for the laptop 0, the subnet mask for the laptop 0, and last is also the default gateway for the laptop 0. So next, for the gateway interface, I will take the router HQ as the sample. So for this, I will take the click on this. So this is the mainly the IP configuration for the router HQ. So this is the IP address for the router HQ, and this is the subnet mask for the router HQ. Then at last, for the access point, I will click on this, the access point 0. Then I will click on the port 1. So this is mainly the IP, mainly the details and the informations about the access point that I take as the sample. So as you can see, this is the SSID for the access point, the channel, the coverage range for the access point. Then we use the password as this lah. So this is mainly the information for the access point. So next, I will pass up to my next member to do the connectivity test.
Okay, next I will use the sample for the connectivity test. So I use the wire PC, the PC0. So I open the command prompt. So we ping. Okay, this seems like successful. And then we IP config. Okay, this is successful. So next, I will use the wireless PC0, the laptop 0. Yeah, we also ping. So this also is successful, and we IP config. Okay, Okay. Next, I will use the server 0 for the sample. So we also ping. Okay, this also successful. It seems like the server can connect to the PC to the another host. That's mean. So we also IP config. Okay, this is successful. Okay, I will pass to the next member.
So next, I will talk about the conclusions of the project and the potential future advancement about this project. So as a conclusion, the project successfully designs and simulated a network infrastructure for the multi-building organizations. So the implemented VRSM scheme has actually efficiently allocated the IP address and the network configuration ensure the connectivity between the devices within each locations and across different buildings. So this simulation serves as the valuable proof of the concept for the proposed network designs. So the future work could involve the implementing security measures like the firewall and the access control list like the ACLs for the enhanced network protection. So actually, the further testing also can explore the advances functionalities like the network performance, optimizations, and the traffic prioritizations. So I will also talk about the potential future considerations, include as the implementing additional security measures to further protect the networks from the cyber threats. The second one is optimizing the network performance through the advanced traffic management techniques. And the last one is the integrating network monitoring tools to proactively identify and addresses the potential issues. So for last, this simulator network can be readily applied to the real-world scenarios, providing a secure and scalable platform for the company operations across the various locations. That's all from the presentation for the mini project from Group 45. Thank you.